2024 cloud seeding season, and the delay was due to some technicalities, but we are actually happy that now the contract is signed and we are going to get our services from Central Air Transport Services, which is CATS. So we are having 2 aircrafts, one based in Harare, Charles Prince Airport, the other one based here, German Gomo Airport, and the one in Harare will be doing the northern region, and the one in Lawayo will be doing the southern region. In my capacity, I'm the Deputy Director for Meteorological Service Department, but here I'm going to read a speech for the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Environment, Climate and Wildlife. Ndikada kuramba ndichitaura ndinozowedzera sizvo. Let me read as it is. We welcome you, the media, we welcome you, members from NET, we welcome you, kids. Good afternoon to you all. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the launch of the National Cloud Seeding Program for the 2023-2024 rainy season. This program will be jointly done for both the northern and the southern region of the country and is expected to take advantage of the current cloud conditions to induce more rainfall. The cloud seeding process is a national priority under the National Development Strategy 1, more so during this season as reaffirmed by His Excellency President E.D. Mnangagwa in the last cabinet meeting of 2023. Cloud seeding is scientifically approved rainfall enhancement method that involves the deliberate introduction of hydrofluoric substance into the atmosphere in order to stimulate the formation of rain droplets through the enhancement of existing clouds, ultimately leading to increased rain. The cloud seeding tender was carried out in a meticulous manner, resulting in the awarding of the tender to Central Air Traffic Services. The cloud seeding team comprises of the cloud seeders. These are usually meteorological technicians with expertise in weather observations and specifically trained by seasoned staff in the field of deploying cloud seeding flares. Currently, there are 4 in Harare and 2 in Bulawayo, making a total of 6 personnel. Of the 6, there is 1 female who has braved the turbulent sky conditions in which cloud seeding is conducted. These staff members are adequately prepared and ready. We have forecasters. These are usually meteorologists trained in weather forecasting. They have an understanding of cloud physics, satellite imagery, radar imagery, for nowcasting, among other specialties. Late last year, the ministry, through Treasury Conference, was able to fill in 14 vacant posts to help increase the number of meteorologists within the Meteorological Service Department, almost to 20. We have pilots. These are seasoned pilots from CATS with close to 40 years experience. 2 were present to demonstrate the preparedness. These have experience not only in maneuvering the aircraft, but also in handling the turbulent, extreme weather conditions in which cloud seeding needs to be conducted. Currently, CATS is training its first female pilot, among other junior pilots. We have support staff. This includes CATS technical staff and management. They assist with making sure the aircraft are well equipped and ready for the test run and actual cloud seeding operation throughout the season. Ladies and gentlemen, in terms of the technical resource preparedness, we are equipped with 2 aircrafts which were access program. These have been fitted with cloud seeding equipment on the right side door. They will be stationed at Charles Prince Airport in Harare to service the northern region of the country, and Joshua Mkabuko Ngomo International Airport in Bulawayo to service the southern region. The cloud seeding flare deployment mechanism